Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to change default vibrate setting in WhatsApp. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your WhatsApp, then press on three dots top right side corner, press on settings, then press on notifications. Here a little bit scroll down. You can see here Vibrate default, press on Vibrate. You can select from here which one you want. For example, I select long. You can see here Vibrate long. If you want change, press. If you want change, press again Vibrate. Select short. If you want change again, then press again Vibrate. Select here, then select default. If you want off, then press again Vibrate. Select here off. That's it guys. So in this you change default vibrate setting in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.